The Reilly method of drawing faces is much more fluid than the Loomis method. Let me show you how all the pieces fit together. We start with a circle and find that center line. I'm going to add a U shape here for the jawline and chin. You don't need this part, but it does help. Now look at the bottom of that circle. Let's draw another circle there. That's the tip of the nose. From the top side, also from the tip of the nose, we can draw an oval. That will include the tip of the nose and the mouth. Now draw another small oval for the chin. Next, we'll put this skinny oval for the rest of the nose. We're creating the planes of the face using these simple, fluid ovals and circles. From the top of that oval, at the top of the nose, we're going to create these little wings. That will show us how wide to make the nose. You can add the sides of the nose there with these two little circles. I'm going to add the mouth line and draw a little circle for the philtrum. That's the space above the top lip. And now another oval for the mouth. Let's drop in two circles for the eye sockets. And we'll draw the bridge of the nose and the dorsum of the nose. The next step is to add this curved line above the eye sockets. That's the supraorbital torus, that bony ridge where your eyebrows are. Add a circle for the forehead that represents the flat part of the forehead. Next, we'll put a big oval that covers the tip of the nose and the mouth and the chin. From the side of the chin, draw a curved line that passes the mouth and goes just under the eyes. This line represents a major shift in the plane. This is where the face is turning away. We're going to do the same thing at the temples as well. Draw a line from the edge of the eye and bend it away. Now we can add the jaw. When it comes to adding the ears, remember they go from the middle of the eye to the bottom of the nose. Speaking of eyes, let's add the iris. That's the colored part of the eye. And one more line that goes from the top of the nose all the way to the bottom of the chin. These lines represent the structure of the face as it bends and folds and turns away. After that, it's about adding the details. You can use the tip of your pencil for the line work and add details in the eyes, nose, and mouth, and so on. After you have that basic line work done, you can move to shading. For the purposes of this tutorial, we're not going to get into why and where I'm shading the face. Then we'll leave that for another day. Maybe next we'll look at how to use the Reilly method to draw a 3/4 portrait or even a side portrait. Thank you so much for all of your support. Please do drop me a comment. It helps the channel out. And if you feel so inclined, feel free to join and become a member. Until the next one, happy drawing.